The entirety of Yellowstone National Park sits on top of a giant supervolcano that
Yes, that's true.
erupts about every 600,000 years,
But that's not true.
and the most recent eruption was 630,000 years ago.
That part is true, but combined with the last fact, it's kind of misleading. Luckily, there are experts who publish their findings on this exact kind of stuff. Volcanoes do not have predictable or regular schedules, especially supervolcanoes that haven't erupted in hundreds of thousands of years. Yellowstone has had 3 super eruptions that we know about, and the time between the last one and the one before it was about 600,000 years, so that's where people get that number from. But the time between the second and the first super eruptions was much greater. And even if you average it out, that's an interval of 725,000 years, not 600,000, but again, that's only based on 2 intervals, which is meaningless. In addition, most supervolcanoes that have super eruptions don't have another super eruption. And when they do, they're not evenly spaced, and they don't even know if Yellowstone has enough magma to ever have a super eruption again. And it can and has had other eruptions that weren't super eruptions. So no, eruptions don't occur on average every 600,000 years. It's not overdue for an eruption, and they don't even know if it can have another super eruption. They don't know enough to say it won't, but they don't know enough to say it will either. Look, I get it. I used to tell people the same thing. I saw it on like Nat Geo, Discovery, or Science Channel, one of them when I was in like 7th grade. So whether you call it fun or unfun, the way it was phrased in the video is definitely not a fact.